Marry me, darling. Gwen is looking at herself in the mirror.
You look beautiful. But what does Roger think? Roger's my boyfriend, you see. He's very shy, you know, and very poor. But perhaps tonight he's going to ask me to marry him. He's coming here to dinner at my sister's house. Nice, isn't it? Ah, here he is.
Oh, Gwen.
Oh, Roger.
Oh, Gwen.
Oh, Roger.
Oh, Gwen.
Oh, Roger. This is going to take all evening.
Gwen, my love.
Yes, Roger.
You know, we first met a long time ago.
Yes.
9 years ago, I think.
10?
Sorry. Of course, it's 10. This isn't easy. She is very rich, and I'm very poor. Well, after 10 years, it's time...
Yes?
It's time...
Yes?
To have a cigarette, I think. Have you got one, Gwen?
Of course, darling.
What a wonderful house she's got. Everything in here looks very expensive.
Here you are, darling.
What a beautiful gold watch.
What did you say, darling?
Oh, it's your hands, darling. They're wonderfully, wonderfully beautiful.
What's new about my hands? Oh, Roger, you say the nicest things.
And your mouth, Gwen.
Yes, Roger?
It's a beautiful flower. Oh.
I had some garlic for lunch. Roger, you're very handsome, you know.
Oh, am I, Gwen?
Oh, yes. Your ears. I love your ears. They're very interesting. And very big.
Oh, Gwen.
Your eyes. I love your eyes. They're very blue. And very cold.
Oh, my love.
And your hair. I love your hair. It's very brown. There isn't much there.
Oh, darling. Well, after that, I must say...
Yes, Roger?
I need a coffee. Could you get me one, Gwen?
Of course, darling.
I don't like milk in my coffee. Is she going to remember?
I put some milk in it, darling. Is that all right?
Wonderful, darling. Just like you.
Oh, Roger.
Well, darling, it was 11 years ago.
10?
Of course, 10. 10, sorry. So it's about time.
Yes, darling.
It's about time.
Yes, darling.
To bring you a little something.
Oh, Roger. A ring. How beautiful.
Do you like it? It was very expensive.
Of course, darling. Oh, dear. It looks so cheap. Oh, Roger, how exciting. Are you asking me...
Yes. Marry me, darling.
Well, now you ask me, I don't know.
You don't know?
Well, this is all very sudden, Roger. I need some more time to think about it.
Oh, no. That's bad. I need her money. How much time do you need?
Well, I can give you an answer next week.
But next week I'm going to New York.
New York? How exciting!
It's only for work, you know. Of course, Susie's going to be there. I always see her when I go to New York. Oh, Gwen, please give me an answer before I leave.
You see, Roger, you need to change a lot before I can marry you.
Change? Me? Change? But how?
Well, to begin with, you must stop smoking.
Stop smoking?
And you must stop drinking coffee.
Stop drinking coffee?
And you must stop going to New York, too.
Stop going to New York? Does she know about Susie? Oh, dear.
So, Roger, what do you think? Can you change?
What can I say, Gwen? I need you. And I need her money. I'm going to stop smoking and drinking coffee and going to New York. Sorry, Susie.
All right, Roger. I can give you my answer here and now. My answer is yes.
Oh, Gwen, darling.
Oh, Roger.
Now I needn't think about money any more. I'm going to have lots of money. My darling wife's money.
Roger doesn't know this, but I'm not rich at all. I like expensive things, but I haven't got much money. When I tell him, what's he going to say?